These are the elevators at the Mull Center in Wheeling, West Virginia. These are 60s Otises, but they're originally manual. This is a freight elevator over there that's still manual. Here it is, it takes forever level. That one's broken, and actually the Otis van is out there. The doors are over there. They're marked the 40s, 50s, 30s Otis doors. The doors themselves, I think, are okay. The cabs are newer, up to 10. Here we go, here we go. Here, 10. Basement. Yeah, I figured that was locked because it's just not bugging locked. Go back on the white phone. Certificate. It's a basic 60s fake blueprint cab. Whoa. Acceleration, deceleration here is incredible. It's going pretty fast. Yeah, this current one's probably from the 60s. They're originally manual. Before that, the freight elevator is still manual, but it has an operator. I don't feel like doing that one. Yeah, and again, the other one's broken. Otis is here right now, probably trying to fix this. Supposedly someone might have gotten stuck on it. Here, back on 1. Let's try to figure it out.